Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to download the latest version of PUBG Mobile, and this is not the Korean version, it's global version. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So right now here you can see I have my OnePlus 8 on which I've already installed the latest version of PUBG Mobile, which is version 1.0.1, and towards the left hand side this is my OnePlus 60 on which I'm running version 1.0, and towards the right hand side I have my OnePlus 8 on which I'm running version 1.0.1. Previously I made a video about installing PUBG Mobile on any Android device, and for iPhone users I'll leave a video link in the description below. You guys can follow that video guide. On the previous video, few users were complaining about not able to connect to server. So here I'll tell you why do you face those issues. First issue would be because of Jio SIM cards, because I've personally tested if I'm using my Jio SIM card after installing PUBG Mobile, then it doesn't connect to server. And in most of the cases, if you are using hotspot also, there are issues that you might not be able to download the resource file. So for the first installation, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If you have stable Wi-Fi connection, you should not face any kind of issues. After that, you just need to download the APK given in the description below. And here I have the global APK version. And the size of this file is 672 MB. If you are using this application, you don't have to download the OBB file, which is of around 1.78 GB. You just need to download and install this APK. After you have installed it, and if you have connected your device to a stable Wi-Fi network, then game will automatically download the resources file. So there are total 14 resources. It might take some time depending on your internet speed. So you should see a message like this: preparing resources 1:14, and it continues to download till it completes 14 resources. And guys, do not worry about account ban. I've been playing it from the first day when PUBG 1.0 was released. Till now I haven't found any kind of issues with my account, and I use my primary account. So you can download this application and install it on your any Android device which is the latest one. And if your game doesn't download resources file automatically, then what you can do is you can just go to file manager, first download a file given in the description below, which is an OBB file. Then you need to go to Android under OBB. After you install the PUBG APK, you should see a folder called com.tenzen.ig, and inside this you need to place this file. This is the main file which contains all the required files for game. Size is 1.79 GB, and I'll be giving a link of this file. Do not extract this file guys. Make sure this file format is same, like at the end you should see .ig.obb. Inside the main folder of OBB, create this folder if it's not available. If this is available, just download this file and place it inside your com.tenzen.ig folder inside Android OBB, and here is that folder in which you need to place this file. After you do that, you should not face any kind of issues in launching PUBG Mobile. But for the initial setup, I advise you guys to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Avoid using hotspot or mobile data. Here you can see I don't face any kind of issues with the latest version of PUBG Mobile, and I've been playing games since version 1 was released. So guys, this way you can install latest version of PUBG Mobile, which is version 1.0.1. If you face any kind of issues, drop me a message on Instagram. You can find my Instagram handle in the description below. So guys, that's it in today's video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.